Didn't see you there. I was just about to talk about my custom-built Ram. See, I got the Mickey Thompson rims going on with patina center caps and up front. Oh boy. That is not a build. You're damn right it is. I've got a light bar. That makes it a build.
I dare you to say build one more time.
Build. Hashtag built, not bought. Sweet mother of Budweiser. You look like you got something going on in that brain of yours, Kevin, old buddy, old pal.
Well, I actually do. You know what really protests my pipeline?
What's that?
When people, mostly douchebags, buy brand new trucks, slap on some chrome rims, some light bars, and call it a build. That is not a build! That is not a build!
He doesn't mean it, baby girl.
You're fucking at night too?
You cheating bitch. What are you, from Calgary? In all seriousness, I agree with you. You know what? I scroll through my social media all the time and I see these guys, oh, build fresh out the shop, and you know, you look at it and they just got a rock guard paint job. Like, it's not a build, you know. You slap some rock guard and 2 light bars on your 2017 Ram 1500 Sport or your Eco Diesel. It's not a build. Custom, maybe. Alright, fine. It's custom. It's different from your neighbor. Slightly. I don't know, everybody's got the same shit, but it's different, so it's custom. You could call it a custom configuration, but calling it a custom build is just plain sacrilegious. That's like calling Budweiser not the king of beers.
I have to agree with you. That's what I'm trying to say too. You know what? Let me just pull some examples from some builders I have here.
Builders.
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
You had that chrome fuel rims right there.
Those are some built rims. I bet that guy spent a lot of time pulling those rims from the dirt and rebuilding them.
What, do you see something else? Here's that stanced out truck.
Stance will make her dance.
Yeah, but not with low pro stretch tires.
Still a build.
What about that 10-inch lift piece of junk?
Well, I wouldn't call your nudes a 10-inch lift, but I see what you're saying.
Shit. Forget those.
See, these are not builds. These are not builds. You want the definition of a build? A build is when you pull that rusted old block from the dirt, you know what? You strip that thing down.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me buy it a drink first.
And you rebuild it, you slap that into a rusted old body with holes in the floor. You know what? Holes you got to patch with the sheet metal with your bare hands. That's a build. You want to build? You go check out Lemonade Cheap Customs. They got some builds over there.
We're getting too old for this.
Right you are, good buddy. Until next time.